Hello, welcome everyone. My name is Dhimandev Goswami, and this is my channel, The Common Math. And today we are going to learn the best and the easiest way to finding LCMs. So sometimes it pushes us to break a sweat while you are in you have very less time in the examination. So you cannot do some rough to just find the LCM. So there has to be some better way because LCMs are really important and during any exam, any math exam. So uh, in in one way or the other, you have to use LCMs to solve problems. So I'm talking about mostly high school or school going children. So let's try and understand that. So the main idea is, let me just explain it to you all guys with the help of an example. So let's take these numbers 6, 12, and 15. Fine. 6, 12, and 15. So the usual way to find an LCM is you try to find the common factors and then try to simplify them, divide them. So if I take 3, so 3 gives us 2, this gives 4, and this gives 5. And then if you take 2, you get 1, you get 2, and you still here it remains 5 because 2 is not a factor of 5. So then again I take another 2. So we have completely factorized, find the common factors until now, and this remains 5, and then 5. Then next step we have 1, 1, and 1. So that's all. So therefore the LCM is going to be, LCM will be equal to 5 into 2 into 2 into 3, which is equals to 60. Sorry. So that's it. So 3 into 2 is 6, 6 into 2 is 12, 12 into 5 is 60. So now this was the method that we usually use, right? This long division method. So now let's try it the another way. So we had the number 6, 12, and 15, right? So uh, the main idea of this finding this lowest common multiple, this trick is you have to first identify the largest number out of the numbers which you have. So in our case here, so out of 6, 12, and 15, 15 is the highest number, right? So therefore you start with 15. Since all the main idea, the logic behind here is that since it has to be a common multiple and which is the least one, so it has to be a multiple. If it's a multiple of 15, then it has to be a multiple of 12 and 6, isn't it? Because there are numbers less than them, right? So therefore we start with just the multiplication table of 15. So 15 one ja is nothing but 15, right? So 6 and 12, 15 is not a multiple of 6 and 12. So therefore, let's go to the next number, 15 into 2. This is 30, right? And 6 divides 30, but 12 doesn't. So 30 is not a 30 is not a multiple of 12. So this is even not a common factor. So then next we go to 3, which gives us 45, and 45 is only a multiple of 15, so no use. Now the next number is 15 into 4. This is 60, right? And finally this is the number which is a multiple of 6 as well as 12. So therefore 60 is the lowest common multiple. Yes, there are going to be other numbers, other multiples greater than 60, which are also going to be the common multiples. So but this is the least one, right? The idea is very simple. You just have to check the highest number first, identify the highest number, and then check if its multiples serially in an increasing order are common to the other numbers. That's all. So you need to just keep practicing. So as long as you practice and you get fluent with the multiplication tables, so finding LCM is, you won't at all require a pen and paper. So these are some homeworks, or these are some questions which you can take away. So 18, 15, 12. This is one. And try this one. 24, 15, 6. And the third one would be 14, 26, 4. So number 4 intake is 5, 45, and 100. All right. So try these problems on your own, and as you keep going, you will get more fluent, and you would even require a pen and paper. So thanks for watching. That's all for today.